Okay, Nydia, this is Roble. Good potty. Good boy. See where he's missing all that hair? It's just growing in. He was totally bald in the back. Come on, puppetus. Shush, Luna. No, this is not your movie. Listen, honey boy. Come on, you look so pretty now. You look so pretty now. I just woke him up from a nap to do this. Oh, the baby. Oh, the Munson says. Who's a pretty boy? Who's my sweet puppetus? Very, very easy. Very easy. I think he'd make an excellent first dog. Very cuddly. Easygoing. 6 years old. Oh, the baby. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Luna, shush. Come on, monkey. Bless you. No, you're just sitting. You're just hanging out. That's my son. He's fine on the leash. I think I mentioned he's getting over his kennel cough. So, I would want him to stay with me probably for another week. Because you don't want him to have anything contagious that he could give his little friends in the neighborhood when he meets them. Great with other animals. Oh, shush! Alright, you want to come back in, Pumpkins? Alright, hang on, sweetheart. Luna, shush. Watch out. Come on, babies. Sleeps all snuggled up in bed. Anyways, Luna, get down. Weighs about 8 pounds. Luna! Relax! Luna! Stop it! Ugh. I cannot wait for you to leave. Come on, Roble. Come on, sweet boy. Luna, stop! You gotta chill. And that's the little one whose movie I think you just saw. Okay. Luna's got to get out of here. She's just being a crazy thing. I know, baby boy. Yes, I know, sweetheart. Alright, you want to get back in your bed? Here's your movie. She's crazy. Hey, shush! Shush! Oh, gracious me. Here, safe. You're safe. You're safe and you're very cute. Yes, that's your movie.